Good morning students, myself Rashmi Shah, your SS teacher. Today we are going to start again with our second part of chapter number 4, that is political, early states of political system in India. Now the first topic is Vaishali Vaji state. Now here the king, that is the monarchy, wished to increase their power and empire by occupying the surrounding territories. Here the king is thinking that he should be more powerful. He should make his kingdom, his empire more powerful, more strong by occupying the different surrounding territories. By occupying different states, he can become more powerful, he can make his empire more powerful. That is, वो दूसरे राजाओं को मार के वो खुद एक पावरफुल इंसान बनना चाहता है दूसरे स्टेट्स में जाके. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट, वो अपना एम्पायर बढ़ाना चाहता है. दैट इज़ द थिंग. Now seeing this, the Lichavis, Vaji, Gaituk, Vaidai, Shakaya, Mala, etc., 8 or 9 tribes who established the union state for their protection was known as the Vaji state. Now seeing this, all these states, or we can say all these tribes, the small group of people, or we can say they have decided to establish their own state, and they have given the name Vaji state. They have decided to make their own state for their protection, उनके सेफ्टी के लिए, और उसको नाम दिया गया है वाजी स्टेट. वैशाली is the capital of the Lichavis. It was the main center of the union state. Vaishali is the capital of the Lichavis and it is the most important center of that state. Thus it was named as a Republic of Vaishali. That is a freedom fight, we can say. इसका मैंने बोला था रिपब्लिक का मीनिंग. सो दैट इज़ द रिपब्लिक, यानी फ्री. इट इज़ फ्री, इट इज़ ओन्ड बाय द किंग. किंग का राज्य वहाँ पे चलता था. सो द स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ रिपब्लिक वॉज गवर्न बाय द सभा, बिकॉज ऑफ विच इट वॉज कॉल्ड अ रिपब्लिक. In republic, all the powers of house rested in the hands of the members. All the members sat in the sabha and all affairs were passed in the house by vote or unanimity. The place where meeting was held was called a sanctum. Now उसको रिपब्लिक क्यों कहा जाता था? Because it was governed by the sabha. सभा यानी जहाँ पे मीटिंग होती है, where each and every person is sitting and discussing about what to do and what not to do, which is good for their empire or which is good for their state, और किसके साथ फाइट करनी चाहिए, वो सब वो वहाँ पे डिस्कस करते. बट द थिंग इज़ दैट वो होता था बाय थिंग ऑफ वोटिंग सिस्टम से होता था कि एक दूसरे की सलामती से होता था. दैट इज़ द थिंग. उस जगह को कहते थे जहाँ पे मीटिंग होती थी, उस जगह को सेक्टम कहा जाता था. द एल्डरली एज वेल एज द यूथ वे सिलेक्टेड एज द मेंबर ऑफ द स्टेट. बहुत एजेड पीपल है और वी कैन से द यंग पीपल वे सिलेक्टेड एज द मेंबर ऑफ स्टेट असेंबली. The Republican elected the president of the state for the state administration, who was chosen by the election. लोग अपने प्रेसिडेंट चुनते थे इलेक्शन के थ्रू. इन द रिपब्लिक ईच मेंबर was considered as the king. रिपब्लिक में हर एक मेंबर किंग की तरह जाना जाता था. रिपब्लिक had their own councils in which many important issues like administration, defense, war, territory, etc. were discussed and then decided. रिपब्लिक में काउंसिल हुआ करते थे जो डिसाइड करते थे इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यूज़ पे. दैट इज़ उनका एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कैसे चलाना है, फॉर दैट सेफ्टीनेस, फॉर द वॉर, फॉर द ट्रेजरी व्हाट दे आर हैविंग, हाउ टू डिस्कस एंड देन दे डिसाइड व्हाट टू डू एंड व्हाट नॉट टू डू. एनी मेंबर कुड एन्जॉय द मेंबरशिप फॉर अ फिक्स टाइम ओनली. कोई भी अगर राजा बनता है या प्रेसिडेंट बनता है तो वो फिक्स टाइम के लिए ही एन्जॉय करता है, उसके बाद दूसरा कोई उसकी गद्दी पे बैठ जाता है. एन एग्जीक्यूटिव कमिटी असिस्टेड द प्रेसिडेंट of the republic in the administration of the state. Now that executive committee is there who is helping the president to execute the administration of the state very nicely. Now here I can show the picture. Now see, this is what Vaishali in Bihar. This is the place like Vaishali I told you. In this Bihar sanctum, I told you the meeting where they are gathering together. Now this is the sanctum. एक जगह होती जहाँ पे लोग इकट्ठा होते for the meeting purpose. Now this is called the sanctum. Now the next topic is that social life and state administration of the republic state. According to the archaeologists, people of this time lived in a simple house. They were living in a very simple house. They were associated with the pastoral activity. Pastoral activities, that is cattle rearing, we can say. At this time, crops like wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane, sesame, mustard, cereals were grown. At this time, they were trying to grow wheat, rice, chawal, gehu, we can say bajri, we can say sugarcane, sesame, tal जो बोलते हैं, mustard seeds, rye, cereals. They were growing all these things. People might have been using clay vessels, especially because archaeologists have found some of these vessels. They were using the clay vessel made up of mud. Right? Some of the pottery found at this time had a drawing on them. These utensils were painted in a grey color. Now they were making the utensils very nicely. They were painting it with a grey color, having the designs on it. You can see in the picture also. I will show you some different pictures also of these vessels. So they are painting the vessels with a grey color. Designs are there on the vessel. So that was the thing they were doing at this time. Ruler of every state did every possible thing for the defense of his state. Now the person, that is the king, who is trying to do each and everything for the safetyness of his empire, for the safetyness of his state. For this reason, strong and high forts were built around the state capital. For this reason, he was building the high forts. High forts, that is the wall. बहुत बड़ी बड़ी दीवारें बनाई जाती थी. Plenty of stones and bricks were used in it. Lot of stones and bricks were used. Some of the king used to build large, tall and magnificent wall around their kingdom to showcase their power and prosperity. They were using to build the stones with the help of the stones and the bricks. They were building the long, tall walls so that for the safetyness or showing their power and the prosperity of their kingdom. The brick wall from Prayag dates back to around 2500 years ago. That is 2500 years ago. पुरानी 2500 years पुरानी दीवारें अभी भी है प्रयाग में, आप देख सकते हो. सो वी कैन से दैट द फोर्ट्स विथ हाई वॉल्स माइट हैव बीन कंस्ट्रक्टेड एट दैट टाइम. सो दिस वर सो ओल्ड फोर्ट्स विथ सच अ ह्यूज वॉल. यू कैन सी, यू कैन थिंक ऑफ इट दैट इतने साल पुरानी ये चीज़ें बनाई थी लोगों ने और अभी भी हम लोग देख सकते हैं उसको. ऑल द महाजन बर्थ ऑफ दिस टाइम needed a large army and a farmers and a strong fort for their defense. All the Mahajan births, all the kings, those who were ruling at that time, need a large army. उनको बहुत बड़ी आर्मी चाहिए थी. And a strong fort for their defense. एक अच्छा सा kingdom that is with a huge wall they need for the defense, for the battle. People were taxed to meet this need. People were told to pay the tax for doing this all this need. The king has told people to pay the tax. Farmer used to give 6th part of the real to the treasury. Whatever they grow, they give the 6th part, 1/6 part of that things whatever they grow to the kingdom. The artisan used to work for the state for 1 day in the month. Those who are working, the craftsman people or the people who are doing something good activities, they were working for the state 1 day in a month. 1 day वो पूरा दिन kingdom में काम करते थे. Caterers have to give cattle as a part of the tax. They have to give the cattle which they were keeping as their pet as a part of a tax. The merchant used to pay tax on the sales of goods. Whatever the goods they sell and whatever the money they earn, they have to give half of the things to the kingdom. During this period of Mahajan birth, agriculture started to improve due to the iron tools. Due to the iron tools, agriculture started developing very nicely in Mahajan birth. See, I told you I will show you some of the painted things, like see the clay vessel which were painted very nicely with grey color. You can see how nicely they were painting and how nicely they were giving the shape also. Now these are the huge walls so that the person who is attacking the fort, कोई battle हो रहा है तो वो इतने ऊपर जल्दी नहीं चढ़ पाते, तो for that they were building the huge fort, that is huge wall they were building. So this is how the people of early state were having their life. We can say all the Mahajan who were working at that times, like we can say the Magadh, the Haryana dynasty, the Nag dynasty, the Nand dynasty. These are the people who were working at that times, who were ruling in India at that time. Or we can say the states like Vaishali, Vajji state. Now these are the people who were thinking for their own kingdom, for their own empire, for their safetyness, for their power, for their prosperity. And this is how they have developed their own state. Even they have developed the agriculture very nicely. That is what we have seen in this chapter. Today we are ending our chapter. I will send you the PDF in your WhatsApp group only about the question answers or about the objectives, okay? But again I am telling you, read the chapter. Don't just mug up. Don't just mug up all the workbook objectives and question answers. You have to compulsory read the test book. You have to go through the test book. You have to go through the workbook also. I am not telling you doesn't have to look at the workbook. Just read it. Okay, just read it. Don't just mug up. Think and read it so that you can understand and you can able to write in your own words. If the paper comes from the government, you are able to write the question answers very nicely, because in this time we have seen some of the question answers were twisted, so some of the students were not able to write, right? So I am telling you very nicely that please read the test book, read the workbook, try to give the answers in your own words. If the question is twisted, you can able to write the answers. Okay beta, till then, bye, have a nice day.